Today we're going to make these super easy paper DIY Harry Potter ornaments for your Christmas tree. Supplies that you're going to need today are some images found on Google Image printed on cardstock, some purple cardstock, some tiny frames that I found at the dollar store, a hole punch, and a glue gun. I'm going to start off by cutting out this circular Weasley and Weasley logo. I'm going to cut out the circle and paste the circle onto the purple paper and then cut the circle out of the purple paper. By putting this logo onto the purple paper, it makes the purple logo that's printed onto the orange and yellow paper just pop out a little bit more, and it looks so cool. Next, I'm going to do the portraits. I'm going to take two of the little wooden picture frames, like so, and I'm going to take the glue gun to one and do a circular little motion all the way around the picture frame to give it some dimension and make it look a little bit more ornate. I'm then going to take some gold paint and I'm going to paint the picture frames. It took me about 2 coats to get a good base onto the picture frames. After the picture frames are dry, I'm going to cut the portraits down to size to fit inside the picture frames. I'm then just going to hot glue the frames right onto the picture. Then take some ribbon and a dab of hot glue and glue the ribbon right on there, and voila! You have a little portrait to hang. When everything is all cut out, punch a hole in it, tie a ribbon to it, and you have yourself some little ornaments. These are super simple and easy to do, and it gives your tree a nice little homemade touch, and the portraits are my favorite. I just love how they look. If you want to see more little DIYs like this that are Harry Potter related or anything related, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments which is your favorite.